Sri Raghavendraya Namaha. Sri Raghavendra Swami is called as Mantralaya Mahan. Because of this God, so many miracles have happened to many people and still it's happening. I have just posted few miracles in this channel, which was written by Mr. Amman Satyanathan. He has written 10 to 11 books. So if you get a chance to buy the book, please read it. It's available in English also. There are so many informations about Sri Raghavendra Swami and also his miracles which happened to many people. So let us see one of the miracle which happened in the year 1984. It's November month, 13th. There was huge rainfall in Chennai. It has been 2 days continuously. That is like cyclone rainfall. Even roads have been blocked, trees have been fallen, and it's the roads are full of flood. In this situation, a person from Ayanavaram was in the train in the main road with so many tensions in his face because his daughter has to undergo delivery and she has to be taken to the hospital. Since it's huge rainfall, he was not able to go outside to take his daughter to the hospital. His name is Srinivasa Rao. Her elder daughter had to deliver a twin baby, which was known through the scan. So they have given some date so that if it happens normal delivery or if it's going to delay, they have to do cesarean. But the rainfall didn't stop. She got pain also. He was so tense that he did not have any vehicle support to take his daughter also, and everything was shut down. Telephone and power cut, everything was there. So he went to the puja room and he just prayed Lord Raghavendra that everything has to be okay. And he went to the main road to see if any vehicles are available. There was no taxi, no autos, no other things was visible because it was huge rainfall and everything was shut down, and the flood was flowing like anything on the roads. So nobody was there. He was just waiting if anything is possible to take his daughter. So he thought, okay, let us go to the hospital itself by walk and bring ambulance for his daughter to take to the hospital. So he just waited till half an hour whether any vehicles are available. Suddenly one auto came, and he was so surprised that because no vehicles were there, but suddenly one auto came. So he was like, where do you want to go? I just on the way to Egmore. He told, please help me, my daughter has to deliver baby. She has a delivery date today, and the hospital is just 5 kilometers from here, so can you please take me to that? Okay, I'll just drop her on the way, like that he told. So from there to his home, he just came in 1 minute. He was so surprised. I can't even see the roads. I can't even see what was there left or right side. But he came to his home just in 1 minute. And the father and daughter just got up into the auto. And from there, it was still more surprising that the 5-kilometer hospital which is available, he just went in 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I was so surprised how this can be happen, because 5 minutes it's reaching a 5 kilometers is not simple, and in this flooded road. So he just went so fast, and they could not see what were there in the roads, because there was flood, there were trees fallen down and everything. And finally when he got into the hospital, just he asked, how much should I pay, because you have done a great effort just bringing my daughter for delivery. He told, I don't want anything, you just take her to the hospital. And he was so surprised. Auto driver where he can just earn money in this situation, said he does not need anything. He told at least just take 10 rupees like that. So he was like, okay, whatever it is, you give me. Whatever amount was there in his pocket, he just dropped in the auto driver's pocket. After that, he just looked into his daughter and just turned around. To his surprise, the auto and the auto driver were not there. He was so shocked how this could happen, because in just a second where he just turned around, the auto and auto driver was not there. Then he took her to the hospital and everything was normal. Next day she delivered baby. It was twin babies. They did cesarean and everything was good. So we have to believe whatever we really have devotion to Lord Sri Raghavendra, he will help in any other means. Maybe he himself have come in way of auto driver, or he have sent any human as auto driver and saved them. So when we have so much devotion towards God, surely he won't leave in any like these situations. So whenever you people get time, please buy the book. It's called Raghavendra Mahima. It's available in English also. You can buy it and you can read it. You will surely get the blessings of Sri Raghavendra Swami. Thank you.